Ah, alam naman po natin yung nangyari sa Ateneo team sa Aurora Province. So kami po sa Philippine Sports Commission, sa chairman and the 4 other commissioners and executive director Iroy, kami po yung nakikiramay sa pamilya ng mga biktima, sa pamilya ni Rene at sa pamilya ni Divine. It's very unfortunate, very sad. People say it's tragic, but we just have to be strong. But pagkatapos po nung pakikiramay, kaya importante rin po maunawaan ng lahat na kailangan namin gawin yung trabaho namin dito sa Philippine Sports Commission because we are the government agency taking care of Philippine sports and the development of Philippine sports, lalo na yung grassroots and amateur sports. So, kailangan po na bigyan natin ng importansya itong unfortunate incident na to. So today, this morning, we released a statement. I'm sure you already have that statement. Please share it with everyone. But I would like to inform everybody because it is the entire country is crying, no? Not just the family members. I've been receiving text messages from people all over the country, yeah, and they are really very, very sad. No words can explain that feeling for all of us, diba? Ako personally, simula doon papunta rito, kakabasa ko lang lahat ng video at TikTok ni Rene. Dami ko rin tisyong sinayang eh. Diba? Meaning, iniisip ko lang yung sitwasyon ko bilang ama. I'm sure ganun rin kay Attorney Iroy, ganun rin kay Pom Fritz, no? Before I make that announcement, I'll tell you a story why. Nung nandun ako sa palaro, nung dumadaan yung Davao, sinabi sa akin ng congressman ng Agusan na si Congressman Basco, Alfred Basco. Sabi niya, Chairman, tingnan mo yung batang kumakaway, yung matangkad na kumakaway na bata. Sabi niya, papunta sa Davao yan kasi gusto mag-aral. Pero taga rito yan. Umiiyak pa nga nung umalis. Kasi sabi niya, kung hindi lang ho kami mahirap, hindi ho ako aalis ng Agusan. So kumakaway siya. Yung gobernador, kinakawayan siya. Yung mga congressman, kinakawayan siya. So kinakawayan ko rin siya. Kaway rin siya ng kaway. Paano ko na-realize ngayon na siya si Rene? Kasi nung nakita ko sa Spin, nung article ng Spin, nung nakita ko na kinakausap na ni Governor yung nanay ni Rene. Sabi ko, ito pala yung batang so jolly, so happy, so proud, di ba, full of dreams, na kumakaway, na sinasabi nga ni Congressman Basco, umiyak yan, iyak yan nung umalis sa Agusan. At humihingi pa ng patawad na kaya siya nawala sa Agusan province because he simply wants to pursue his dreams and to study for his family. Ganun ka sakit. So having said that, true to life experience na ako mismo, kami nila Sani Angara na experience namin. We have decided, no, in consultation with our government agencies, in consultation with stakeholders, in consultation with the DILG and the Office of the Press Secretary. We are now convening by tomorrow at 1:30 the stakeholders meeting, and we have invited the stakeholders meeting and the panel. We call it a stakeholders panel. It will be here in PSC tomorrow at 1:30. And we have invited the following. Number 1, the Executive Director of Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas, Erica D., whom you know is also a lawyer. Number 2, represented by the Philippine Sports Commission in charge of Basketball Commissioner Fritz Gaston. Number 3, we've sent out a letter to the chairman of CHED, Shirley Agrupis. Number 4, we've sent out invitation and they have confirmed two representatives from the UAAP, namely Executive Director Rebo Sagisa and Father Aldrin Suwan, who is in charge of student affairs of Adamson University. Number four, we have invited the chairman of the National Youth Commission, Jeff Ortega, who is also an avid surfer, actually. Chairman Jeff is from La Union, so he has confirmed as well. And number five, we have also invited the Secretary General and Undersecretary of DepEd, Malcolm Garma, okay, of the Department of Education. These are the people who will meet tomorrow at 5 p.m. as we pursue, no, this very difficult, painful process. Para po malaman lang natin kung paano tayo makakapagtulungan para hindi na po maulit ito. Please be assured, PSC is not the investigating task force or panel. We are here to help address this concern. Alam ko po ang pamilya ni Rene, ang pamilya ni Divine, talagang nagdadalamhati. Alam po namin na ang buong Ateneo community nagdadalamhati. Alam po natin yan, si Conference, taga-Ateneo yan, si Erica, taga-Ateneo yan. Nagdadalamhati. Pero sana po maintindihan lang nating lahat, kailangan pong gawin namin itong prosesong to para hindi na po maulit. And we hope that you will support us in this very important undertaking as we convene this stakeholders panel tomorrow morning starting at 1:30. After that, we will invite resource speakers so that we can continue this process. What is very important, I must say, is that we need the formal report. Report coming from the Philippine National Police. And the Secretary of Local Government, John Vic Primulya, informed me 1 hour ago that it is ready. And they will have their own investigation process. So kami po, stakeholders panel, this is good for Philippine sports and we hope to get the support of everyone. Let me turn over the mic to Attorney Iroy para mapaliwanag niya na iba po ang gagawin ng PSC, iba po yung investigation process ng PNP.
Ang gagawin naman po ng PEC bukas kasama yung stakeholders panel natin is to review the policies together with CHED, NYC, SBP, and UAAP because may process po kasi, and DepEd especially, may process kasi yung mga in and out of school activities. There is a standing memorandum issued by CHED on that. And everyone knows na dapat ma-follow lahat yung mga procedural guidelines pag mayroong out-of-school activities. And the chairman instructed us to ensure that this will not happen again and ensure that the safety of the athletes because these are future national athletes, especially si Rene na magaling na atleta. Yun nga ang sabi ng nanay niya, dapat daw sa basketball floor naglalaro ang anak niya, hindi sa dagat. So, it happens. So, tomorrow, rest assured that the chairman will lead the panel and to get all the possible solutions that this matter will not happen again. Thank you.
Thank you, Com. Attorney Iroy.
Ito, no? Well, one, talaga nakikiramay kami, no? Talagang we're out of words for our sympathy, no? Nasabi nga ni Chairman kanina, talagang as a father also, ganyan, we can actually empathize what happened. Imagine losing your future, na alam mo, it should be a future great, no? Both of them, both families, no? Na 19-year-old and 20-year-old, no? Si Divine is 20, si ano naman is na 19 pa lang, si Rene. And what Chairman has shared, really talaga na, yun, masakit namin makita mo. You see the kid, he was waving, and parang saying goodbye pa na, oh, I'm going to Manila na rin, no? For my future, great future. But that happens. No? But what I'd like to add, na ito sa statement na nabigay kanina ng PSC, na but chairman released it, no? Additional lang dito, although nasabi na lahat chairman yan, no? The goal here is not only to understand what happened, but to ensure that lessons learned to lead to safer, more responsive systems that protect athletes while sustaining high-performance sport. Excellence in sport requires environments that push human potential but never at the expense of safety. Yun ho, ang ano doon, no, ang key message din doon ng PSC to our chairman na release na kailangan talaga natin pag-aralan, tignan at paano sabi nga ni attorney kanina, no, titignan natin yung mga policies, saka practices and procedures for yung mga training ng mga different stakeholders, different leagues dito, no? Na ang utmost yan is the safety of our athletes. Yun ho yung aming ano bukas, no? Ang main ano namin, kaya nagpatawag si chairman ng emergency meeting namin nga dito to among all the stakeholders and agencies that should be involved in this endeavor. Yun lang.
Yun lang po. Salamat sa inyong pag-unawa. At sabi nga natin, this is beyond basketball. This is beyond the UAAP. This is a country that is mourning 110 million Filipinos. Talagang masakit kung masakit. Pero harapin natin ito ng tama. Harapin natin ito ng matibay ang puso at damdamin para ma-solve natin ito. Because malaking kawalan ito para sa Philippine sports. Once again, nakikiramay po kami sa pamilya ni Rene, sa magulang, sa nanay ni Rene, sa magulang, pamilya ni Divine, at nakikiramay kami sa buong Ateneo community at sa UAAP. Maraming salamat po.